Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can do countless payment on Revolut. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So to make a countless payment with Revolut, you can enable contactless payment on your card in the Revolut app and enable NFC on your phone as well. So to do that, all you gotta do is open up your app and sign in. Now afterwards, go to the home menu and then tap the cards icon. Then from over there, select your card and tap on settings. Once you have selected the card, then tap on settings of the card. Then scroll down and enable contactless payment, which will be listed over there for you to find it. If you reach your contact, now once I've enabled that, or in case even after enabling, if you're not being able to use, that means you have reached the limit. So make sure you are within the limit, and if you have reached, then you can reset it as well. Then to enable the NFC, go to your phone's connection settings, look for NFC and make sure it's turned on. Once you have done that, you will be able to make contactless payment. And to do that, all you gotta do is hold your phone near the contactless payment terminal, look for the contactless payment symbol on the terminal, tap your card to the terminal, and you're good to go. Your payment is gone, payment is thoroughly been done, and you're good to go. That is basically it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.